Well, good afternoon again. This is John Kielec from Daily Net Pay, Private Trade Shares, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Hope your day was going good, and hope your entire week is going good. So anyways, this is where failure is not an option. You only fail if you do not join us. And what I'm talking about is the private trade shares. What I do for a living? Well, I'm a network marketer for many, many years, but also in last year, well over a year, I trade to earn. And now I am willing to allow you to purchase private trade shares, which are done through Daily Net Pay. I share my trading profits without you doing any trades or taking any trading risks. You even get to watch these live trades, which are done from early in the morning till about noon. And I usually Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, I summarize and I do recorded sessions. So today, this is the live real trading summary for Thursday, December 6, 2018. I'm going to get right to the markets. I belong to several different brokers. I use several different platforms. Our most popular platform is Owenda. And what I'm going to explain in here, these are the 6 markets that I trade on each and every day. These are the 6 markets that I think. What I'm going to tell you, Owenda, you can see a $10,000 lot, $15,000 lot, $10,000 lot, then, $25,000, $50,000 lots is the most. What I've been doing last week and this week is using Owenda. This is a real account. These are the real cash. This is real income. I am testing a system that will work in critical trading conditions. It will also trying to work it in high volatility market. And this is what I do beginning of each and every day. I go to my crypto trend rider and I find out what kind of situation is on the markets. Well, today, a volatility condition, high volatility trading conditions. This is still pretty rough day trading, but the next one is critical conditions. When you have seen in other videos, this area is red. But, high volatility trading conditions, well, that means the market could move up and down rapidly. And it's been like that all this week. It's been a rough, tough trading week, but I am still coming ahead, and that's the good thing. But that's the system that I have put together. It's my own unique system. I don't share this with anybody. All I can tell you is the system, the signals, how I predict the trend, if it's going to be profitable, which way to buy into the market or sell into the market by using Bollinger Bands, pivot points, moving average, stochastic, and London daybreak. These are my 5 main trading tools that I use, and my wins are about, I would say, 90% to 95%. So let's start out with Euro USD. Okay, so in the morning, what happened today? The London daybreak pointed for prices to go up. It did go up, and it was nice, and then right now we're about center. So today, if we just used the London daybreak, it would have been a very profitable trade. What happened with me? Well, this is 7 o'clock in the morning. This is where I got at the trading computer, and I've seen that the prices went up, the Bollinger Band over here, oversold conditions, so I thought, okay, there's got to be a prices to go down. Anyways, this was our first trade, and went for prices down. Well, there was a rebound. The price, just like in the volatile market, it just shot up, and we got stopped out with a loss of $39.56. Okay, so what's happening right now? You see right now in here, there's another trade. We got $17.79. It's only a $10,000 lot or 10,000 units. And as the prices went so high, I said, okay, they got to retrace back. I got to earn some of this profit back. So we got short over here and went for prices down. And this is where our current price is. And the current price is right there. Okay, this is live chart. All of these are live. And this is where we are. So we have $20.74 profit. And we're going to leave this trade open because it's like 5:18 p.m. The trades are still going, very slow now overnight until 3 o'clock in the morning. The London breakup starts up. But I believe first thing in the morning that these prices will reach that moving average somewhere over here. So this is EMA. 50 to 1. This is, I believe, this is going to be somewhere in there. And you can see I set my profit to take profit when it reaches over here. And I don't think we'll see in the morning. Either we take the profit and maybe before I go to bed later today, I'll check. And if it's getting nearing, I'm going to take this profit a little bit lower. But this is the aim. So this is all set. And also, you can see the stop loss. This is the high resistance over here, the stop loss. So this is one loss in here, and we have open trade, which we'll leave it until tomorrow. Our next trade was, okay, and this one is still going. As you can see this, these are live trades. They're not executed yet. All right, so what happened in here? Like I say, this was it was a volatility market, but whoa, London daybreak showed for markets up. Would have been nice if I got up 4 or 5 or set, I got to see 3 o'clock in the morning because I got to see which way the trend is going to go. And the London daybreak signal after the 3 o'clock, so 4 o'clock in the morning, this is where I practically know a London daybreak which way it's going to go. And it pointed up, and it was a beautiful trend. But anyways, by the time I got to the trading computer and in the morning, I looked up this way and go, wow, the market, I missed that. London daybreak I missed, but I thought, well, it got as high as this, it's got to come back. So I went for prices down. I went short, and it did go short, okay, but I thought it's going to go, it's going to retrace somewhere where it belongs here. Well, the market turned against us, okay? It turned against me. I eventually got stopped out with a second loss of $117.73. And I go, whoa, what a day, what a morning. But, this is trading, this is life, that's what happens. But anyways, I don't give up easily, even in trading. That's the way it is. I don't think I take seriously trading, but there's always a way to come back and get some profit. So as soon as the market, just like with the other one, they got so high, I said, well, they got to come down. What goes up eventually has got to come down. It's just when and how long and how much is going to cost me in this trading world. Okay, so anyways, the price has got as high over here. By the time it got here, I said, okay, the market is coming down. The market, so I went short over here for prices to come down, and because I'm trying to recuperate some of this money that we got stopped out with a loss of $117.73. So anyways, you can see the stop loss is placed. This is live trade. Right now we have $14.05. This is only a $15,000 lot, or 15,000 units. I just call it $15,000 lot, and I'm gonna, I'm hoping it's going to get somewhere over here. It might get here to this moving average, but if we get somewhere to here, I'll be very, very happy to. I know the market will rebound to here, but I just don't know. Hopefully it's going to be happening tomorrow. But you can see in the downtrend, it's up, and it went up here, but this was the high. And over here, it went high, but it came down, and it's still coming down. So that was these two trades. Now, let's go over here to the U.S. and Swiss franc. And what we have in here. Okay. London daybreak set for prices go down, and would have been nice. Would have been nice. Like London daybreak method, it was right on the money with every trade today. But like I say, I had a little bit of late morning. But anyways, what happened in here? Well, I got around here, which was actually I was following this market from 8 o'clock, and I go, wow, the prices are going way down. Okay, so when the prices went down, okay, I says, well, they gotta start going up. Okay, so when the prices start going up, we went for prices up, going long, and this is where we entered. Okay, so right now we're a little falling behind. Okay, a little bit behind because this is where our take profit is. Okay, this is USD. Yeah, long. Okay. See, these are the profits. Okay, so yeah, we are long in here. That's why I got that arrow, and we're just a little bit behind. This is a $10,000 lot. Okay, so this is another trade is open. We're gonna take profit once we hit over here, and this thing is actually supposed to be up here. Okay, yeah, this line's supposed to be up here. That's our entering line. So we're just trailing right behind. Okay, but that's another lot. I believe the price will reach to the moving average, the blue line up here by sometimes tomorrow morning, and we're going to have a nice profit in here. So we're going to leave this another trade open. Okay, the British pound against Japanese yen. Okay, the London break went for prices up. So the prices went like, up and down, up and down. If we got in here, it would have been some profit, but it was kind of neutral market up and down, not a very profitable. Very little money would have been made here if we went to London daybreak. So I did not touch this. Next trade or next market that I watch, London daybreak for British pound and Swiss franc. It's set for prices down, and actually, the first prices went up, then all of a sudden they dropped. If I would have been around here and caught this, that would have been a nice little trade over here. That would have been $300-400. But then the market retraced right to that moving average line and just kind of following right there. So, the London break, this one, it was kind of the only profitable trade would have been here to this area. After that, it's pretty well neutral. So, but I didn't touch this market. And USD Canadian. Okay, this is the only one, and we had profitable. London daybreak set for prices down, and wow, the prices kind of went up. It reached the top of the Bollinger Band. It kind of broke over here. And I go, okay. Then I says, okay, it went up. Then it closed down. I says, okay, this market's got to go down. It cannot go high. Okay, and I just kind of looked at the overbought, oversold conditions right there. Seen this thing going down. I says, no, it's got to go for prices down. And if we would have still kept that, it would have been a nice profit. What I did, I went for short for prices go down. We entered over here, and we got stopped out over here with stop profit loss of $51.50. This is a profit. This is a trailing profit. Okay, so that's why I call it stopped out. Is when we got stopped out with a loss. A stop profit loss. It's just to stop from losing our earnings already. So we got stopped out over here with a profit of 51. Okay, so that was a successful thing. Then, the market went out. Then it kind of just hummed around here till about noon today, and the market dropped again, and it's over here. So this is another trade that I'm going to be looking tomorrow. I think the market's going to hover somewhere around here. Okay, and you can see these are the current trades. Okay, see there's these profitable. That was like, you know, $9 in profit before. It was -7, now it's -5. So these markets will go up and down, but they're going our way, so that is good. Okay, another thing. Okay, let's go to the Smart Trader. And you know, if anybody wants to use a Smart Trader, I actually had the broker call me today, and you know, nice person, and he congratulated me on many things. But you know, some people, some members of Dating Net Pay asked me, well, can I learn how to trade? You know, I will recommend the Smart Trader to you. Okay, there's a specific guy, Eric, and you know, it's a course, but it's not. The course costs about $2,000. If you are serious to learn Forex or cryptocurrency, stock market, mostly Forex, and he does excellent, you know. So, but like I say, I do the trading, but it's just, anyways, I just give you that information because some members ask me, John, can I explain what I'm doing, how I'm trading, what is Bollinger Band, pivot, moving? No, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to show you my strategy, my plan. This is private. I just do the trading. You buy the trade, private trade shares, you get a certain percentage, and that's it. Okay, I don't have time for other things. So we went into the British pound and Swiss franc. Okay, I gotta move this. Okay, this trade I put it before I went to bed last night. Okay, this is actually, I followed the market. And I did that before London daybreak. This was around, this was 2,200 hours, which was around 10 o'clock. I said, the market went way down. I said, hey, it's way down. It's trailing below the moving average. It's trailing around the Bollinger Band. It's oversold condition. I said, it's got to rebound. So I placed limit order. It got hit over here for prices up, and boy, it did. When I woke up this morning, this is, you know, just 6 o'clock in the morning, we got it hit our stop profit loss for $260.13. So it's nice to earn money trading while sleeping. Okay, nothing can be yet. But anyways, if I would have kept the market, well, it went up, and this is where it reached its peak. Then the market came crashing down. I should have maybe caught this thing because it got over here, broke out over here, but we could have went for prices down and earned just as much very quickly. But hey, you know, I was more doing with Awenda. I was doing more with Awenda than, you know, doing this system. See, how's the profit look over here? See, this is -243. So we are in profits in here. These are going to be profitable trades. I know they're going to retrace. And I know my system. It's fail-proof practically. Okay, so anyway, so I don't know. Right now the markets are way over here. Ooh, it just jumped up. So we're going to see how this thing goes tomorrow. We'll see from here. This is our trade of the day. This is the highest one, and this is the same thing. Last night, okay, this is Bollinger Band. It went up over here, London daybreak before it came out, but I said, okay, this is moving average over here. It just went up, and it reached that moving average, and reached again. It didn't go below, above there. It opened up right there, and I go, man, this market is going down. So I was kind of watching it, and when we see this doji here, and I go, okay, this is where it should stop. This is where it's going to slow down. So once again, in here, we went for prices up. I put the limit order for prices up. It was hit. it came down. The market was still came down. There's another one, Doji, one of them things, you know? And I go, ho, well, that's a double one. And now the market has got to retrace. And over here where it starts going up. And this was nice profit. It hit our stop profit loss, and we earned $500.88. And right after that, look at that, what happened to the market. Boom. Went down, went back up, went kind of down, and right now it's almost where we hit the profit. Okay, so that was our big trade of the day. I was hoping to get $1,000 out of this one, but hey, this is pretty good what we can do. So these two trades. The other ones in here, I didn't do nothing. Okay, the London daybreak, you know, I was kind of watching this, but not much. It did go right for down prices, but you know, these two were my good ones, and you can see that you know, the British pound with Swiss franc and British pound with Japanese yen were two profitable trades. 56.5 pips. These are, you know, $10 per pip because, well, almost $10. You know, depends which one, because these are the $100,000 lots. Okay, so we got a nice profit over here. So summarizing today, even, you know, it was volatility condition, high volatility trading conditions. We still came ahead, and you know my system does work. But I gotta tell you before I go, okay? I'm gonna go back to those losing trades. Okay, yeah, 14, 18. These markets, okay? These markets, okay? I'm gonna tell you something. This should never happen. Okay, as you watch my video from yesterday, I also lost the trade. Because, like I say, I am doing these smaller lots because I am testing my own personal trading formula that I am doing. I'm not going to share it with anybody. And, you know, this should not happen. This should not happen. So I know what I did wrong here. And, you know, it was a small loss. That's why I don't want to go $100,000 in here trading that account, because that loss, you know, $39.56, there was only $10,000 lot. If that was a $100,000 lot, that would have been $395.60. So, you know, I got to be a little cautious in here. Where was the other one that okay, this one was $117.73. Same thing. I know how to prevent that. And, you know, it took me three losing trades, Friday, Monday, and yesterday. Okay, Friday and Monday we had 19 trades, one loss. Okay, yesterday we had a $270 loss trade, but we still came ahead. But anyways, I know now what the system, what I used, and I could have prevented that. And, you know, that's something that I'm tweaking my system. But anyways, you know, I don't think this is going to happen. You cannot win every trade, but, you know, I was kind of ticked off at myself. It says, gee, that could have been prevented. And there was one item missing in my strategy that I could have stopped that. But anyways, you know, that's something that I am learning. Like, whatever I do, I was quite successful as a networker. And like I say, you know, before I retire, there's going to be, you know, a few million dollars I will earn in trading Forex in, you know, next couple years, or, you know, 4 years to retirement. I'm going to do this probably till I die, and, you know, because I want people to earn income. I will help them, and the private trade shares will always be here. I trade and give you profits. If I earn more, there's going to be bonuses. But anyways, I am perfecting something of my own in trading, and this is it. So, and this is something that I have so anyways, let's summarize for today. For the trading results for Thursday, December 6th, we had 3 wins, totaling $812.51. We had 2 losses, which total of $157.29. So we made a profit of $655.22, and we still have 3 open trades, and they're going to be going into tomorrow. Okay, and I just keep checking them. Okay, I see 8, 12, anyways, but that's it for Thursday. I'm not going to do any recording on Fridays. Once again, I do recording Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. These are the most active, but you will find the results probably the next week. And but anyways, it's a profitable trading. You can see that our winnings are a lot more than losing, and that's the only way going to be, and it's going to get better. And by the time I'm going to go into $100,000 lot using my private trade share method, that's probably going to be, I'm going to do it for a couple more weeks because I want to be 99% sure that this system works and it gives me the proper channel when to take out, when to put a stop loss, when to trail a profit, when to, exit the trade. All right. So once again, have a wonderful evening. Have a wonderful weekend coming up ahead. And I will talk to you next week. Thank you.